Hi everyone, we are going to look at the Auxus 3G, the first ever review, and this is going to be a basic unboxing review. Okay, we have got a cardboard here, and here comes the Auxus 3G. That sizzles like anything. And inside the box we have a pouch and some basic cautions and the manual. So what else do we have? A charger, USB cable, and micro USB to female USB. And we also have got a scratch guard. That is all we have. So here comes the tablet. So what do we have here in the tablet? So at the top end you have the volume rocker. You have the volume rocker here, the plus and minus, and the power button. And to the right side of the tablet we have a micro USB and micro SD slot with micro HDMI, and we also have a 3.5 mm like the jack input. And at the down we have the SIM card slot. So we are going to switch on it. So this takes a couple of time to boot up, some 45 seconds to almost a minute. Okay. So this comes with ICS 4.0.4. And the touch feel is pretty much comfortable, and it's very much responsive. This comes up with pre-installed applications like file manager, and this also has a Google Play Store and even Office Suite. This even supports Flash. So what do we have for the widgets? So we have these many widgets. Okay, let us look at the video. the video seems to be very much clear and seamless, but at sometimes it gets pixelated, and that too for the flash video. This does not have any problem while playing MP4 videos at 1080p. So we have a camera, 2 megapixel camera. So the quality is pretty much okay. We haven't tested it with the SIM slot, and the screen can rotate through 360 degrees, in the sense you can view it on any side. Let us play Angry Birds. Okay, this looks good. So overall, the build is very much good. The quality is good, except for the screen getting pixelated. Since it comes with 170 ppi screen, what do you say, the pixel density, you could visually see the pixels. And the screen brightness is very much limited, and I'm actually currently running it with full brightness. You can still find some reflections. So let us connect it with a pen drive and see how it works. I'm currently connecting an 8 GB pen drive, so you could see the USB is mounted. So you could go to the application menu and go to the file manager. There you find the USB. Okay, so I'm just going in. While viewing pictures, the screen is very much responsive. You could zoom in and zoom out at literally no lag. So that's it about AUXUS AX03G. Thanks.